Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been quite a while since I've last uploaded, but that's because I've been busy with school stuff. I've had to edit on my phone, which is really annoying. So I got a new computer, which should help with things, and I can play Fortnite. And anyway, in this video, I'm going to be taking apart this 2 terabyte external hard drive. Now, 2 terabytes is still pretty useful in 2024 for storing games and whatnot, but the reason I'm taking it apart is because it is completely fried. I actually plugged it into this Dell laptop and it corrupted things, so I had to reinstall Windows 10. And also, I plugged this in. It's working now? Never mind, we are completely unreliable and not working. Oh yeah, this thing is toast, so I guess we should take it apart. So first step, I didn't figure out how to get in. There's no screws or anything. And I was wondering if there's something under the sticker. It doesn't feel like anything, so I'm probably just gonna have to peel this off. Okay, so we have this part and this part, and this is as far as I've gotten. All I did was I cut this foil right here, but I haven't taken apart the actual hard drive itself, so. And this to me looks like a USB 3 to SATA board, which is exactly what that is. And yeah, this is corrupted too, so I don't know if the problem was with this hard drive and it killed this or vice versa, but I should just be able to pull this board off. There will probably be a connector or something. Oh, yeah, there you go. So, this is the board. This is probably what's actually broken in the hard drive. And then we can see that has a connector. This goes to the spindle thing. I forgot what it's called. And this goes to the motor, which spins the platters around. Okay, let's open it. That is a very shiny platter. And this thing, that's called the actuator. I just remembered. And there's the magnet right there. I'm not gonna touch this because this is very shiny. And my fingerprint probably is right. That is so cool. I'll see if I can turn it on. Doesn't sound too good. So just a few things about the hard drive. The platters are made out of aluminum or glass, and they are coated with an iron or cobalt material. This right here is an air filter. So what happens is when the hard drive spins, it creates a draft. This will collect any of the flying dust particles. This is the neodymium magnet for the actuator, which I'm having issues removing. And also, if I were to hold a neodymium magnet close up to the platter while I was spinning, it would completely erase the hard drive. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to put this together, so I unscrewed this, and we should be able to take a look at the platters. They're extremely shiny, of course. And there's a ring. And then there's another platter. And then beneath this is just the motor, but yeah. I feel like this is glass. This is what this feels like.
And they are actually magnetically stuck to each other. As far as the magnet goes, it's actually, this is just the steel part. The actual magnet is right here. Same on the other side. And that controls the actuator. So this is the coil. And then when a signal gets sent to the magnet, it'll make this move. These are heads. Of course, they're completely screwed up, but that's okay. This is the connector. Yeah. There's a little chip on here. And at the very end is the actual head.
Anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully I'll be uploading more. Also, thank you so much Seagate for this $70 pile of parts. It was a joy taking your hard drive apart and learning how it works. But I'm gonna have to find another way to back up my files, so. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.